Good morning, Hornets. It's the start of a new week here at VCHS. We're your host, Mason.
And I'm Emerson, so let's kick off today's lunch. Today we have cowboy conventi, whatever that is, tossed salad, garlic bread, steamed peas, pineapple, and a cold milk.
Let's see what some students' favorite coffee is.
Hi, I'm London Wilson, and I'm here with
Rose.
And today's question is, what's your go-to coffee order?
I like to go to Dunkin' and I get a large iced caramel craze with light ice and no whip and a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel.
Okay, thank you.
Peyton Sobbing, and my go-to coffee order is a vanilla iced latte with oat milk.
Colin, and my go-to coffee order is a brown sugar espresso.
Austin Sainer, and my favorite coffee order is an ice white mocha with caramel drizzle and whipped cream.
Okay, we're here with
Libby, and it's a brown sugar shaken espresso with pumpkin cold foam on top.
Where do you get it from?
Starbucks.
Okay.
Aria, and my go-to coffee order is probably a vanilla latte with oat milk.
Okay, thank you.
Why don't we take a look at today's holidays? We have National Mole Day, TV Talk Show Host Day, National Pitbull Awareness Day, National Paralegal Day, and National iPod Day.
Let's take a quick glance at your top 5 news stories of the day with Quinn and Jasmine.
Taylor Swift made a generous donation to a local food bank during her Eras Tour dates.
Super speeder in Georgia gets $1.4 million ticket.
Number 3. CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aid are closing thousands of stores.
Number 4. Deion Sanders celebrated anniversary of playing NFL and MLB game on the same day in 1992.
Number 5. T-Mobile canceling customers' older plans and moving them to new, pricier plans.
Next, here's Monday's Word of the Day.
This week's word of the week is dither. Be indecisive.
Want your picture retaken? Here's some info for Picture Retake Day.
Picture Retake Day is October 26th, Thursday. You can order online at interstate.com/order. Use the code 79097MB.
Remember, the Halloween costume contest is coming up. It takes place October 31st during advisory. To compete or watch, you must bring $1 or a canned food item. Sign up is on your class Google Classroom.
What's your favorite class? Let's see what some students have to say.
My name is Gio Miller, and my favorite class is going to be band.
My name's Hunter Johnson, and my favorite class is marching band.
What up, guys? I'm Kender. My favorite class is probably automotive class.
It really grinds my gears when people eat with their mouth open. It's disgusting.
I can agree with that, but let's see what other Hornets have to say about that.
Is Corey, and my pet peeve is hard to get.
My name is Kaylee Kinsinger, and my biggest pet peeve is slow walkers.
My name is Hannah Miles, and my biggest pet peeve is loud chewing.
And here's Abram with today's weather.
I'm Abram Morris, and this is today's weather. Today's high is 83 and tonight's low is 64 with a 30% chance of rain.
Now for a quick blast to the past. Let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
October 23, 1983. In Lebanon, a suicide truck bomb strikes U.S. Marine headquarters at Beirut International Airport. The blast kills 241 Marines and American sailors, part of an international peacekeeping force. At about the same time, another attack kills 58 French paratroopers. President Ronald Reagan.
We must not allow international criminals and thugs such as these to undermine the peace in Lebanon.
Within weeks, Reagan starts withdrawing U.S. forces from the Mideast country. 1956. In Eastern Europe, a Cold War uprising behind the Iron Curtain. Students in Hungary spark a spontaneous revolt against their communist rulers in the capital, Budapest. As the revolution spreads, Soviet forces enter the country, crushing the uprising within weeks. 1973. President Richard Nixon agrees to turn over White House tape recordings to Judge John J. Sirica. The tapes, sought by the Watergate special prosecutor, are a flashpoint in the scandal that ultimately drives Nixon from office. 2006. Former Enron CEO Jeffrey Skilling is sentenced to 24 months, 4 years in prison for his role in the company's 2001 collapse. Enron's demise wiped out thousands of jobs, more than $60 billion in market value, and more than $2 billion in pension plans at what had been the 7th largest company in the country. and 1925. Johnny Carson, TV's king of late night for 3 decades as host of NBC's The Tonight Show, is born in Corning, Iowa. Today in History, October 23rd, Carlotta Bradley, The Associated Press.